To start this part of the tutorial, I want to create a realistic setting and show you a survey here. This is the base template survey that has already 2 responses in it. Now these responses may be from you trying out the survey link, clicking through it and making sure that participants see everything they need to see. But later on, you're not interested in having these responses that you put in the survey in the dataset. So you may want to clean these up first. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to from the home screen to data and analysis. And in the data and analysis tab, you can already see some entries, like these are the 2 entries into the survey. We can select all entries by clicking this checkbox here in the left corner. And then clicking the little bin that is on the right side. Clicking that bin allows me to select, yes, I am sure I want to delete these responses. I'm deleting them now, and I'm cleaning up the survey. This is the first step in getting your survey ready for data collection and distributing the link, but also then for later to manage your data in a clear fashion. And after you've done that, we go back to projects. This is where the project is. And it should, after a while, after Qualtrics has really cleaned up these responses, change this to 0. From that point on, we can also activate the survey if it has not already been activated by you, activating its link. When I'm activating the survey, here this status changes to active. And now we can go there and play around a little bit more with the data. First, what I want to do is I want to generate some fake data to see how a participant's data would look when I've put them into the survey. So for that, to generate fake data, I'm going to Tools and then Generate Test Responses. Here I can say, all right, let's have 300 test responses, and I click Start Test. And what happens now is Qualtrics is filling in my survey 300 times, and it's generating these data. This will usually take a while, and afterwards you can have a look and see how the data will look when you export it for 300 participants. Obviously, it is very random, these data, because there will be no patterns in there that we usually see with human respondents. But it does give you an idea of what your dataset will look like, and you can even use that dataset then to write any scripts for your analyses already while waiting for your participants to complete the dataset.